Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video has been a year plus coming. It has taken me this long to finally do a sit-up video, and I am so proud of myself and excited. My name is Rosemary, and I am a mom of twin plus one. Why have I created this channel? I created this channel to dump my lifestyle videos here. I created this channel because I am passionate about content creation. It has taken me this long to do this because I have been overthinking it. By this I mean, for example, background. Secondly, looks. How will my look come across to people? How are people going to perceive me? And because of that, I didn't get to making this video. Now, I have a cooking YouTube channel. Because of my fear of camera, I had to start doing a faceless cooking channel where I would just show the process and upload it. And as time went on, I niched it down to just cooking. But then I thought to myself, I love lifestyle content and I love to show myself. So, what's the worst thing that can happen? People may not like you, people may not connect to you, but I tell you, there is someone for everyone. So today, I have decided and I brought myself to it. I set the camera and I began to shoot, and this is my first sit-up video for YouTube, and I'm going to drop it on this channel. We'll come back years later to see the imperfections, but that's okay. So the first thing I did was to overcome my fear of how I will be perceived. The second thing I did was not to care so much about the aesthetics. So if you're like me, I think you should do that. Come out from your comfort zone. Nobody has it perfect. With time it comes. The third thing again is to shoot that video, and this is me now shooting the video. So a little about me. Like I already told you, my name is Rosemary. I have twin babies, beautiful twin babies, plus one. All my kids are girls, and I'm so proud of them. Secondly, I am very caring and a very loyal person. Yes, when I'm in your corner, you've got somebody. Thirdly, I am a very determined and passionate person, and because of that passion, I got here today. Because of the determination, I got here today. So I am so glad that I was able to shoot this video. This first video is not going to be perfect, it's going to be everywhere and everywhere and everywhere, but you know this face. Guys, think about subscribing to my channel. Think about liking and sharing. And if you think this video that I was able to do today would encourage you to start your YouTube channel, then by all means get to it. Okay? But this is it. Welcome to my channel where I'll be posting everything. And here I have no plan at all, aside just posting the things that I love, which are cooking, shooting silent vlogs. I like to do that a lot. Basically just being a mom and taking care of my family, showing some fashion, some travel, etc. as it goes. So just come, join the family, get to know us and hang out with us. Thank you for watching, and then get on to shooting that video. I'm so happy I did this today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. But for now, bye bye. I don't want this intro video to be so long, and I'm so happy that I was able to do this, and I can't wait to meet all of you guys in the comment section, liking and watching the video. Thanks for subscribing and staying with us. Bye for now.